Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you, as the request, some people don't have the sewing machine and asking me if I can show them how to make the face mask with filter pocket. It's very challenging, so here you go. I have a piece of fabric, 16, the long way, 16 by 8. Okay, so now I'm going to fold in half. I'm going to fold it like this. And remember, when you with the hand, with the needle and thread, you're going to sew it very close. Stitches have to be very close together. So I fold it in half like this. And from this is the part I folded. This is the folding side. You leave it alone. So from here to here, it's 8 inches. So I'm gonna take it 1.5 inch for each side. So 1.5 is right here. 1.5 right there. You see? 1.5 inch. Another one, 1.5. So okay, so from now about 1/2 inch I'm going to sew it, the line, straight line, but half to that 1.5 inch, and I stop. I'm going to take this dress and needle, happening from here. Okay, now with the stitches have to be very close. Okay, so you're gonna sew only to the mark that we just marked 1.5 inch, and we stop right there, because that's where the pocket. I just want to say thank you for the people who watching my video earlier and send me the very good comment that really make my day. Okay, so I sewing down to that 1.5 inch, and I'm going to just do a knock right here. That's where I stop. Oh, so that's one knock. I'm gonna do one more. Down a knock. Okay, so happening from here down over here, same thing happening, and it start from 1.5 inch on the top. So I'm going to do the same thing. So when you get to the end, you're gonna go underneath here. You just want to secure the sewing. Okay, do one more time. Pull all the way, and then there's the loop here. You put your needle right inside the loop and pull. That's it, done. If you want to have the, when you have a dress and needle, remember the dress have to be double. So at the end of the dress is right here. You see that needle right here? I'm going to hold it like this, and I'm going to wire around the needle for 2 times. 2 times, 1, 2. Hold my hand right there, and then push needle, pull the thread. Then you have a very nice knee and the knot. All right, so now when you're done, after you sew in the line, you're gonna bring the line down to the side where you are. So you pull this down to the side, just like this. There we go. So I have it here, and I have the other one. So now I have the elastic. So now when you have this right here, you're gonna get the elastic. Elastic, I cut 7.5 inches. Okay, 7.5. Slightly different, only half an inch or so. So can be 7 inch or can be 7.5. I use 7.5. And I'm gonna get the pepper clip. I'm gonna clip it so it won't move away from me. And I'm going to do the other side, same thing. So you get elastic, the clip, and you clip it there. Same thing to the other side. So put the elastic inside to here. Get the clip. You clip it's in place, and now I'm going to sew it in. One side I don't have to do it. So I'm gonna find where is it, right here. So I'm going to fold it. I'm gonna pull it up to here a little bit so I can hold in my hand. I'm going to sew it. That you can see it right there. Okay, now I'm going to sew from here to there. When I sew, I'm gonna make sure I take about a quarter of an inch of the from the beginning to a quarter of an inch. A quarter of an inch. And make sure the elastic, you're gonna sew it in really good. You have to go back and forth a few times to hold it in place. You see the elastic right here? I'm gonna go back and forth a few times. You can see the elastic right there. I'm gonna do back and forth a few times. Take the clip out. So you're done for one side. Done for one side. The other side do exactly the same. Elastic inside. Now it's done. It's like this when it's done. This is the inside. And it's the pocket. I'm going to take it out. Take the inside out. You have something like a bat. Really cute bat. And you see the pocket is here. See this pocket right here? Nice. And now, this is the fun part. Okay, so the part that you have, the pocket, you're gonna leave it right on the top. Here, underneath here is the pocket. Leave it there. We're gonna do it this side. So from here to here, 1 inch, 1 inch, and you fold half an inch. So let me just show you. From here to here, 1 inch, half an inch, 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 and 1 inch. So now we're gonna get your finger, put underneath here. You see 1 inch right here? You're gonna fold it, the one under here, where your index finger, that's half an inch. You're gonna fold it down. you're gonna fold it down. So from there, you're gonna fold it half an inch underneath here. That's half an inch. See, half an inch. I'm gonna use a pepper clip. I'm gonna clip this side, and I'm going to do the other side. And then again, 1 inch. You see 1 inch, and then with your index finger, that way you can fold half an inch. And get the clip it in. Get the clip that in the other side. So now you have 2. Now 1 more. 1 inch, half an inch in. Okay, the people with the machine, the sewing machine, they're gonna get the machine, they're gonna run over to here, run down here, run around the rectangle. We don't have to do that. And it stays in shape just as you do with the machine. You get the thread and needle, you're gonna go underneath here. You go under, you're gonna fold, you're gonna sew it all in. The way you sewed it in the one on the top, the needle, and then you go into under, and then you go all the way. As you go, you take out a clip and then sew it. Okay. Keep doing until you're done. So you go under and up. They're up now. You go under and up. Go under and up. Under, up. You want to hold the fabric, the pleats in place. Like that. Under and up. Okay, now get to here, you get the clip out. Adjust a little bit. Okay, and continue to sew all the way. Under and up, just like that, all the way. Okay, do one more time. You just run over the elastic one more time. The loop, and you're gonna pull. You do that for 2 times and you're done. Okay, so you finish one side and you're gonna do the other side. And you're done. Okay, there you go. So you're done. You're finished. It's like this. So easy. And it's the same thing. It's longer working for you, but because we don't have the sewing machine, and this is it. This is done. So I'm gonna put the filter inside here. And close it up. And there you go. You have your own mask that you can wear. Very pretty. It's just the same thing that you make with the machine. How awesome that is. And I make a few over here too. So I have this with my crab, and the pocket is right here. There's the pocket that you can put the filter in here, and when you done, it's like this. Stretch. How nice that is. Simple, easy. You just have to take time and do it. What you do, if you have no choice, you don't have a sewing machine. This is what it is, and it's come out the same way. And this is the kid size. So the kid size I make it, for the kid I make it the size of 14 and 7. So I'm going to put it the side down for you and everything, elastic and the filter where you can get it. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.